Prebiotics and probiotics are both important for maintaining a healthy gut, yet they serve different purposes. Probiotics are live, beneficial bacteria that, when consumed in adequate amounts, provide health benefits. They help restore the natural balance of your gut bacteria and support your digestive health. Probiotics can be found in certain foods and supplements. Some common sources of probiotics include yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and other fermented foods. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are non-digestible fibers that serve as a food source for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. They help stimulate the growth and activity of these bacteria. Prebiotics are typically found in foods that are rich in fiber, such as fruit, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Some examples of prebiotic-rich foods include onions, garlic, bananas, asparagus, oats, and flax seeds. By combining prebiotics and probiotics, you can help promote a healthy gut environment. Simply put, the prebiotics provide nourishment for the beneficial bacteria, while probiotics introduce new strains of beneficial bacteria to your gut. This combination can help improve your digestion, enhance nutrient absorption, boost your immune function, and overall support your gut health. It is important to note that while prebiotics and probiotics can be beneficial for many people, individual responses may vary. If you have a specific digestive concern or any other health conditions, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide personalized advice and recommendations. If you want to learn more or have a desire to incorporate such healthy habits with a weight loss plan, please reach out to me at healthymeweightloss.com.